behind the rack. Yeah, you should look at behind Dolby's rack. You know, flipping that. There's a picture showing behind their rack. You know, cables all over the bloody place. I mean, it's tidied up to a degree, but I can see how it is because modules, things, and everything, it's always going to get taken out, put in, removed, changed around, swapped around in the rack itself, shuffled around. Oh my goodness! But it all looks neat from the front. But anyway, these are the blooming wiring diagrams I've got to deal with. So it's going out from the SA10, and then I've got to go into the configuration for the STDS. And I've got to configure the wires where I need them to go on the surrounds, so I can see continuity where, you know, the side surrounds will be up on the first STDS, and on the second STDS on auxiliary number 2 I would see the same, the EX signal, and it should be moving all at the same time, sort of thing. It shouldn't be doing anything individual because it should all be doing the same signal, sort of thing. Yeah, got to deal with that.